Hi everyone, this tutorial covers what you need to know to make your first quiz, including the several types of questions and settings. Using Google Fonts, you can create custom fonts and can add images, videos to it. Let's start. First step is sign in to your Gmail account. Second step, to the right topmost corner, there are 9 dots. Click on it. All these applications are available of Google. Click on Drive. To the left panel, right click on My Drive. Go to More option, to Google Forms. We are starting from scratch, so click on Blank Form. A blank form will appear. We'll give title. Title is not visible here. For that, double click. Now title is visible. Give form description. Based on chapter 1, you can even give your class name. Now to the right side, we customize theme. To design header, click on choose an image. Different image options are available. Select of your choice. Click insert. Image is uploaded to the header. Down is theme color. Give color of your choice. This looks cool. Give background color. And last is font style. Choose font of your choice. Close theme options. Go to settings. In general, check collect email addresses. Check limit to one response. This option is for your respondents, your students. Second option is presentation. If you want, you can check these boxes. Then here is confirmation message. If you want to type a message of your choice, you can type, or else this default message, your response has been recorded, will be displayed to your students. So the third option, quizzes. Select this, make this a quiz. Click on immediately after each response. So marks will be released to your students after submission. If you don't want this, then select the second option. Respondents can see. So this all three are for your students. If you want your students to view missed questions, correct answers, point values, then check these boxes. Now save your changes. All your changes are saved. Now let's design a quiz. For this, we'll write the first question over here. Which of the following is an input device? Couple of things are going on here. Google itself searches option for you. So here in this arrow button, different options are available. So I want multiple choice. First option I'll give monitor. Second, keyboard, printer, and headset. To the right, to the left corner, answer key. Give answer key to your question. This keyboard points to your question and done. Select required. This becomes mandatory for your students. To add second question, click on plus sign which adds question. I'll design my second question. write shortcut command for copy. So I want short answer. Give answer key. Control plus C. CTRL plus C. CTRL C. So students can write one of these answers. Check, mark all of other answers as incorrect. Points to the question. Done. Click on required. To design third question, click on plus sign. Third question is identify the following. I want to insert image, so click on this icon. Click browse. Select picture. See open. Image is uploaded. This three dots can give alignment to your picture. Can even change picture and remove picture, and you can add a caption to the picture. I want center alignment. So I want to give here multiple choice for the picture. Headset. Scan this microphone. Answer key to the question. See done. You can even adjust your picture size. Click on required. So I have designed my quiz. Total marks are visible here. So you can also preview your quiz. Click on this preview option. Answer to the question. I'm giving this wrong. Then second one. Third one. Click submit. So this way, scores. So this page will appear to your students. Your response has been recorded. Click on view score. So score is available here, and which question is wrong can be seen here. Responses of the students can be seen from this option, responses. Click on this. So I have got one response. So we can share this through this send button. Click on send. So we can share forms with an email or a link. Okay. So you can type email address here and send to your students. Click on this link option. Link is generated. Check short URL and say copy. You can copy this URL to your Facebook group, your Twitter group, and to your WhatsApp group. So it's easy to share forms to specific people or to a broad audience. Hopefully we went through enough where you understand how to prepare a quiz for your students. These are your basic question types. If you like this video, click on like button, comment and subscribe in the lower right hand corner, and do share with your friends and that. Thank you.